Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. I want to basically want to simply say to you that two days ago I marinated some jerk chicken. I did show you the fans them how to marinate the jerk chicken to bake it inside the oven. And I said to them I will definitely cook it another day because I like to marinate my meat and put it down. I don't like to marinate it and cook it same time. I just don't like that. I like to marinate it and, you know what I mean, get it soaked, get all of those season and those flavor inside of it. But as you can see how the chicken look, you can see it is really marinated, soaked properly, looking lovely and nice, colorful with a lot of thyme, onion, spring onion, garlic, everything, ginger, everything is on it. And I like it that kind of way. I love my meat is like that, guys. So basically today I just want to cook it up to show you that I did marinate the meat, you know what I mean, 2 days ago. Put it in my fridge to soak properly, and that's the best way to do your meat. But anyway, I'm gonna just cook off this inside of the oven today and I'll show you how it look when you finish it from the oven. Alright guys, so hopefully you will like the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Please leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show. Hopefully we can come out with some better recipe in this 2016 year. So first of all, preheat your oven. That's one of the main things you need to do. Second thing, make sure you put a piece of grease-proof paper in an oven baking tray. And what we're gonna do, I'm gonna simply take it from the right here, and I'm gonna put it straight inside of the oven tray like this. And it's just some jerk chicken. It's not a lot, but it is really nice. All right. Nice and lovely. So 2, 4, 6 pieces. And a lot of people did see the video which I did the other day about the jerk chicken right here. So as you can see, that's looking so lovely and nice. I don't know, you guys will like it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cook it off inside of the oven for 35 minutes. Gas mark 7 or 9. Alright? If you're using a different kind of oven, 175 is good for half an hour. Enjoy the recipe and also put it in the middle of the oven. Thank you so much, guys. Nice and lovely. I just take it from the oven, guys, and just look at those oven jerk chicken. Really nice, beautiful, and really nice and lovely, as you can see. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put them in a plate and make you see exactly what I'm talking about. I give them 35 minutes inside. So I just share it out, and that's the way it look, guys, right there, looking lovely and fantastic. So as you can see, the jerk chicken right here is an oven jerk chicken bake. Some people they do it in the oven, some people do it on the barbecue grill outside, but time is cold, can't go outside, guys. Lovely. So enjoy it and leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show. See you next time. Bye bye.